Welcome to Skills and Learning Development. Today I'll take you through one of my video where I'll walk you through if you are looking for first job or you are a fresher, you just completed your graduation or you are in final year or final semester of your education, then this video, because you might be looking for the new job or first job, this video could be helpful for you. So let me walk you through. So first thing we will discuss what all platforms you have to upload your resume, which is very important. So first of all, anyway, you might be familiar that you have to prepare a very crispy and very attractive resume. We should not go beyond one page actually as a fresher. So even we suggest for the experienced guy as well not to go beyond 1 or 2 pages, because this gives the precise message anyway, because during the interviewer will review everything about you, your potential, your skills or soft skills, all the aspects what you have learned during your education and what you possess as a interpersonal skills, right? So among those platforms, we have picked up the top one. So first, if we have to talk, is the Naukri.com. You might be familiar, but just giving you the reference. Naukri.com is a platform where you can update your profile. So what happens, how it works. So it will capture all your fields. Do not forget to update each and every field. Consider every field as important or critical for you. So update those all with the appropriate information, correct information, which is very important. So based on that, any recruiters or companies, if they are getting your profile or searching job seekers or potential candidates from these databases, so chances are that your profile will get pulled on the top itself. So that's very important. So update your profile here, prepare profile, upload your resume as well, which you prepared already. And then second platform comes, which is similar, called as Found It. So earlier it was known as Monster, which is very again famous. So you can use that platform as well to upload your resume and create your profile, job profile. Third similar platform is Shine.com, which is the platform from the HT Media. You might be familiar with the company's name, Hindustan Times. So the Shine comes from them, and you can use this platform as well, because many of the these recruiters or companies are using these platforms to pull out the information about the candidates who are seeking the jobs. And very important, but fourth one comes the LinkedIn. So do create your profile with your updated photo. And photo, when I say, you should update your photo on resume as well, which is very important. And photo should look like professional photo, completely with smiley face and with groomed face. So in that way, you will show that your profile and your resume is looking pretty well. So yep, so in the LinkedIn as well, you have option to update your photo, that you can update there, and prepare the summary there, career summary, and your past experience, projects, whatever you have done. Apart from that, if you have done any certifications, those should be updated into the LinkedIn. So that gives a picture of your or all over curriculum, whatever you have done. So that was about the how you can use this platform and can update. I think these 4 platforms are suffice to get a new job, because most of the recruiters, most of the companies come to these databases to explore or to pull out the potential candidates for their recruitment requirements. I hope the message is clear about it. And let's see what next. Once you update this, what to do with then. So every day, or I would say every day, first point is refresh, modify your profiles. So if you create profiles on these platforms, it's not like that today you have created and you sit now. No. So to keep those up to date and keep those on the top of everyone, you need to refresh that or modify. When I say, if you don't feel that I don't need to modify anything because it's already up to date everything, just go there in your profile and put a dot or remove a dot every day. One day you will add the dot, a second day you will remove the dot. That's that thing you have to do. Second thing you have to do, upload your resume every day. That's very important. I'm repeating, update your resume every day. So delete the previous one, old one, the copy I'm saying. So and upload the new one or fresh, which is there on your desktop. In that way you are modifying or refreshing your profile every day. So every time, what happens if the recruiter is pulling your profile, on the right side it will show when the user was active last time. So if you are active every day, it will show today as active, and when the profile was updated, today itself. So in that way, recruiter will find out, oh, person is looking for job change because he's active and uploading or updating his profile right now. So chances are there they will approach you, or they will connect with you immediately on that basis. So that's the point here. Now second thing, prepare for the job. So you might have some job, or you might have mentioned the profile as well, which kind of job you are looking for. You must be prepared for that job. You must be in a position, or you must be in a good positions to understand that kind of requirement, and you should have the fair understanding of that job whenever the question comes from the recruiter side or from the hiring manager side. Right, that was the second point. And third point comes, stay up to date with industry in terms of skills, in terms of what's going on, in terms of how competition is there in industry and expectations, everything. So you should be up to date to answer all the queries of interviewers and the recruiters. Yep. So that was the point, to stay up to date with the industry, your companies, etc. And search and apply for the job. So what happens within this platform, when you create your profile, you get the options to search for the job. You can put your job, say job title, software developer, or sales manager, or whatever job you are looking for. So those you can search on top, and you will get the options according to your preferred locations. So do search those and find out if your interest is matching with the job profile which is available on the tool, and do apply for that. So that's the one from these platform, including the LinkedIn. Apart from that, you can go directly to the company's website, and there also under career section you can find out the different job options, or jobs whichever get opens. So there also you can apply for those jobs. What happens actually for the fresher, they should rely on the options which are available in these platforms. Reason being, most of top companies doesn't look for the fresher every time. So that's the reason. If they have some bulk hiring for the very entry level positions, then they do write their jobs on the website. But otherwise, please only update or look for primarily on these platforms itself. You will get many options there. So I think these are the best channels and best platforms for the job seekers who are looking for their first job. So that was it from my side. Apart from that, if you have any kind of query, how to write the resume, what to do with this platform, how to use anything related to that, you can put those things in the comment. Based on the time, we will get back to you on those requirements. Hope you like this video, and wishing you all the very best for your job search. Thank you.